So today we are going to study a very interesting topic. Okay? So first I want you all to look onto these images that is given. What do you observe? So you can see this spoon. When you see above and below, you will find that there is a change in the position of this spoon. It is not straight. Similarly, this pen also is not looking straight. You may be confused. Why is it so? So we may actually think, is it actually broken? Was it already broken or did it break after it was immersed into the water? And what will it look like when it is taken out? Will it be broken or will it be fixed? So these are certain questions that come to our mind or came to my mind at least when I saw these images. So what has happened actually? Yes, it seems to us as if the pen and the spoon is displaced. We have studied about the rectilinear propagation of light. And what is it? Yes, it means that the light travels in a straight line in a medium. So that in a medium is the thing that we have never considered. But what is happening here is the bending of light. But what is the bending of light called? Yes, it is the refraction of light. So when I take the image that I showed you earlier, a pen is immersed in the water. So we have to think, we know that there is a bending of light, but we have to understand why this bending is happening. Yes, because it has different media. How different media? Just see, here it is the water and above it is air. So there are two different media. So what if there are two different media? What happens? This is what happens. The speed of light changes with respect to media. So by this we can understand that the refraction of light is the bending of light in different media because the speed of light changes with respect to media. So what do we understand by different media? So when I consider these two uh, square or rectangular volumetric materials or mediums, so here you can see the entire space is covered. The volume is same, but here you don't have space to move. Therefore, if something is moving, it will slow down its speed. Whereas in this case, there is a lot of intermolecular space, because of which any object can move very easily and with much more greater speed. So there is same volume but different intermolecular spaces. So in this case where the intermolecular space is less and the medium is covered with a lot of things, it is known as a denser medium, whereas where the intermolecular space is more, it is known as a rarer medium. So what happens when it is denser and rarer? Here you can see the speed of light decreases, and here you see the speed of light increases. So there are three cases that we are going to study. When light moves from rarer to denser medium, you can see this, rarer to denser medium, what happens? The refracted ray moves towards the normal. If it was straight, it had to move it like this, but it is moving towards the normal. In the second case, you can see when it is moving from denser to rarer medium, then you can see that it moves away from the normal. And the third is when it is moving perpendicular to the surface. there is no change in the direction. So these are the cases of refraction. Thank you.